Don't let the DirectX DLL end your session. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll guide you through the scan to restore your gaming performance. Before we begin our DirectX walkthrough, you can try the suggested utility to help clear environment conflicts and save time. This is the DirectX Update 48, an unmanaged DirectX extension library. It provides high-performance routines for 3D rendering orchestration, facilitating the visual data link for games utilizing the February 2010 manifest. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. If DirectX DLL is missing, it typically indicates a break in your system's rendering stack. Use the Microsoft DirectX End-User Runtime web installer to restore legacy D3DX and Xaudio files, then verify your GPU drivers to support any OpenCL or OpenGL dependencies. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including DirectX. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. To fix persistent graphics initialization errors, you should download the DirectX End-User Runtime to restore the missing software bridges. This package contains the full set of legacy libraries required for multimedia applications, and it will automatically replace your DLL file if it is missing from your system directory. Why are we doing this? Well, the standard DirectX version included with Windows 10 and 11 is built for modern games and often lacks the backward compatibility needed for the specific file causing your error. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Be aware that manual fixes for DirectX DLL often create more problems than they solve. Incorrect file versions can cause cascading crashes across other applications, making your PC significantly less stable than before. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. If you're encountering repeated missing file alerts, the recommended suite linked below provides informational guidance for DirectX. To support our technical team and receive updates on DirectX resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.